We have a lot of intelligent people in Bangalore. Let's go and speak to them and find out how intelligent they are, or how is their common sense. Common sense is not very common, but still we are trying to find the most common thing with ourselves in Bangalore over here with desitara.com. You know, recently we had this incident happened. There was a flight from Bangalore to Bombay. While going, it took about 1.5 hours, right? And while coming back, it just took 90 minutes. Why is that? Some problem with pilot or the flight?
Some pilot.
He went to loo?
Maybe some maintenance problem will be there.
Maintenance problem of the pilot or the air hostess?
Air hostess.
Air hostess maintenance problem. Recently we had a flight from Bangalore to Bombay which took about 1.5 hours to reach Bombay. But from Bombay to Bangalore just 90 minutes. Why is that?
I don't know, maybe there's no organization in the airline, whatever. Yeah, fine. I think I'm agree with her. I'm not sure because I've never traveled that way. I mean, I usually travel abroad, so I don't know.
You usually travel?
Abroad.
Abroad. So you don't have anything much?
I've never taken a domestic flight as such.
I don't have experience about flight and all.
No, when I'll top, that is will take time. Again will come, again landing, take time, several time. Because all other way.
Because it's coming through a different way? No, that's not the right answer.
No idea.
You girls don't have idea? You should get an idea.
I don't know what happens there.
You don't know what happens there? Up above the world so high?
No idea.
Then my friend, get an idea.
No idea about this one was. I can't tell.
Get an idea.
I have no idea about that. We both were away. We were not here at that time when it happened.
Air traffic.
Air traffic, what is that?
How did it manage to get here in that period of time?
Yeah, that's the whole thing. We want to know how did it happen. From Bangalore to Bombay, it took about 1.5 hours to reach. But from Bombay to Bangalore, just in 90 minutes it was here. How is that?
It's all the same, no? Sorry? It's all the same timing. 90 minutes and
He's the most intelligent man we found today.
You tell us. Why don't you tell
I have an idea.
Hey, please tell us.
I have idea phone, idea.
Idea.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Down, down.